DJI says the Mini 5 Pro costs $1,099. That's a lie. The real cost? Try 3. $1,200 in year one. And that's if nothing goes wrong. In the next 8 minutes, I'm exposing every hidden cost DJI doesn't tell you about. The mandatory, accessories, the insurance you can't skip, the software subscriptions, the true cost of Pro, and whether you actually need it. Let's start with that $1,099 base price. For just the drone, one controller, and one battery. Compare that to the Mini 4 Pro at launch, $959. The Mini 3 Pro, $759. Each generation adds about $150 to $200 to the price tag. But here's what $1,099 actually gets you. One battery that lasts maybe 20. 5 minutes in real-world conditions, no ND filters, no carrying case, no extra propellers beyond one. Set, no landing pad, no nothing. You literally cannot use this drone professionally with just the base package. You'll get one flight then. Wait an hour to recharge. No professional can operate like that. DJI knows this. That's why they push the Fly More combo at $1,599. $500 more for 2 extra batteries, a charging hub, and a shoulder bag. But even that's not enough. Let me show you what Pro actually costs when you add everything you need to use this drone the way it's marketed. Here's your real Mini 5 Pro shopping list if you want to use it professionally or even seriously as a hobbyist. Essential accessories. You can't skip ND filter set. The Mini 5 Pro's camera needs ND filters for proper motion blur and exposure control. Quality set from Polar Pro or Freewell, $99 to $149. Without these, your footage looks like soap opera video, unusable for professional work. High-speed SD card. The Mini 5 Pro shoots 4K at 60 frames per second. You need UHS-IU 3v30 minimum, but UHS-2 V60 is better for 4K 100 frames per second mode. SanDisk Extreme Pro 256 gigabytes, $79. You'll want 2. That's $158. Cheap SD cards cause dropped frames and corrupted footage. Ask me how I know. Landing pad for takeoffs from grass, dirt, or uneven surfaces, $25 to $40. Propeller guards if you're learning or flying near obstacles, $45. 3 sets of extra propellers because you will crash, $45 total. Proper carrying case if you didn't get the Fly More combo, $60 to $120 for. Something that actually protects your investment. We're at $1,727, and we haven't even talked about the big costs yet. The optional accessories that aren't optional, tablet mount or larger screen solution. The RC controller screen is tiny. For professional work, you need a bigger display, tablet mount, $30, or upgrade to the RC Pro controller, $1,001, $199. Let's say you go with a tablet mount, $1,757 total. External hard drives for backup. You're shooting 4K footage. That fills drives fast. 2 terabyte external. SSDs, $250, $1,997. Anti-collision strobe if you're flying at night legally, $35. $2,032, and we still haven't covered the ongoing costs. Now let's talk about the costs that keep hitting your credit card month after month. DJI Care Refresh, the insurance you can't skip. DJI Care Refresh for the Mini 5 Pro, $149 for 1 year, or $220. $9 for 2 years. This covers up to 2 replacements in 12 months at $69 each. Flyaway coverage costs, extra $79 per year. Here's the math. Without Care Refresh, a crashed Mini 5 Pro costs you the full replacement price. With Care Refresh, you're paying $69 plus your annual premium. If you crash once in year 1, $218 total cost. If you crash twice, $287 total cost. Still cheaper than 1 full replacement. Real talk. About 40% of new drone pilots crash or lose their drone in the first year. Care Refresh isn't optional. It's mandatory insurance against expensive mistakes. Add $149, we're at $2,181. Third-party liability insurance. If you're flying commercially, you need liability insurance separate from Care Refresh. Most clients require proof of at least $1 million coverage. Skywatch or Verifly, $800 to $1,200 annually for $1 million. Coverage, let's say $900, we're at $3,081. Software subscriptions. To actually use the Mini 5 Pro's 4K footage professionally, you need editing software. Adobe Creative Cloud for Premiere Pro, $55 per month. That's $660 per couch year. DaVinci Resolve Studio one-time purchase, $295. Let's go with DaVinci Resolve to keep costs down, $3,376. If you're doing mapping, surveying, or inspection work, you need Pix 4D or Drone Deploy. Pix 4 D-Matic, $350 per month, $4,200 annually. Drone Deploy Pro, $2,999 annually. Not everyone needs this, so let's leave it out of the base calculation. But if you do need it, add another, $3,000 to $4,000 per year. If you're using this Pro drone for business, there are more costs nobody mentions. Part 107 certification. To fly commercially, you need Part 107 certification. The test fee, $175. But realistically, you need study materials. Prep course from Pilot Institute or Remote Pilot 101. $149 to $299. Total Part 107 cost, $350 to $475. Let's say $400, we're at $3,776. Business formation if you're doing this professionally. LLC formation, $100 to $300 depending on state. EIN from IRS, free. Business insurance, already covered above. Add $200 for LLC, $3,976. FAA drone registration, $5 for recreational, $5 per drone for commercial. Not much, but it adds up. $5, $3,981 total. So here's where we are. If you want to use the Mini 5 Pro professionally in year one, Drone Fly More Combo, $1,599. Essential accessories, $3, $197. DJI Care Refresh, $149. Liability insurance, $9, $100. Editing software, $295. Part 107 certification, $400. Business formation, $200. Registration, $5. Total, $3,945. That's 3.6 times what DJI advertises. Let's talk about what happens when things go wrong, because they will. Common replacement costs of propellers, $15 per set. You'll go through several sets per year. Gimbal protector replacement, $45 when you bump it during transport. Battery replacement after 200 to 300 charge cycles, $129 each. You'll replace all. 3 batteries within 2 to 3 years. Bottom shell replacement after hard landing, $89. Gimbal camera replacement if protector fails, $450. Average minor repair, $150 to $300. Average major repair, $500 to $800. The Mini 5 Pro is durable, but it's not indestructible. Budget at least $200 to $400 annually for repairs and part replacements, even with careful flying. Here's the question everyone should ask. Do you actually need Pro? The Mini 5 Pro has better sensors, more advanced flight modes, and improved image quality over the Mini 4. But for most users, the Mini 4 at $700 less delivers 90% of the capability. If you're a hobbyist who flies occasionally, regular Mini 4 saves you money and delivers great results. If you're a part-time real estate pilot, Mini 5 Pro might be overkill. Mini 4 or Air 3 are more practical. If you're a full-time professional doing client work, Mini 5 Pro makes sense. The image quality difference justifies the cost when clients are paying. The math for professionals, if you charge $800 for a real estate shoot and complete 5 shoots per month, that's $4,800 monthly revenue. The Mini 5 Pro's extra cost is recovered in the first job. But for hobbyists or part-timers, You're paying for Pro features you don't need and won't monetize. The DJI Mini 5 Pro isn't a $1,000 drone. It's a $4,000 drone when you factor in everything you need to actually use it the way DJI markets it. Is it worth it? Only if you're using it professionally and generating revenue that exceeds the investment. For everyone else, there are better options at lower prices. The Drone Business Launch Pack includes complete equipment buying guides. Which drones actually make sense for different business models? How to calculate true ROI, when to upgrade, and when to save. Money, everything you need to make smart equipment decisions. Link is in the description. Drop a comment. Did you buy the Mini 5 Pro? What hidden costs surprised you? If this video saved you from an expensive mistake or validated your purchase decision, hit that like button. Subscribe for honest drone equipment reviews that show you the real costs. The Pro label looks good in marketing, but your bank account cares about the real numbers.